Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in granite crystal metallic. With
halogen quad headlamps,
premium fog lamps,
20-inch
aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel,
42,000 miles
on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number
47441A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.